Today, my friend Dina is having people over and we're doing like a little Valentine's Day, or I guess Galentines Day party. It'd be cute to like vlog and like do all that fun stuff. My mirror is literally broken, so like you click the middle button, it just doesn't shut off, it just like changes the modes and whatnot, which is like actually really annoying. I have this huge ring light. I was trying to take TikToks before, but honestly I can't. I'm like too stressed. I made empanadas. I made heart-shaped empanadas, which came out like kind of slay, kind of like questionable. Like you could still tell it's a heart. Some of them you're like, what the fuck is that? Trial and error. I made those, and Dina made chocolate covered strawberries. There's like all little appetizers and stuff, and we're all making like our own cocktail, and we have to like rate each other's. So hopefully I win. I'm making like a raspberry pina colada drink. That's fun. I haven't really been vlogging recently. I've been in like such a bad mood. I don't know what it is for this past week. I feel like dirt has been kicked in my face multiple times. That's how I feel. So annoying. Anyway, positive vibes only over here for the rest of the year because I can't deal with this negativity. I will actually like, it's supposed to be at Dina's at 7 and it's 6:30. I'm still waiting for my Skims in the dryer. Tell me why they're still not dry. I don't know. They already went through once. I'm waiting for my pink Skims. I lent to Lenny my red Skims, which I wore for Christmas. I'm gonna wear my pink white fox sweatsuit. Hopefully that looks like a sleigh fit, because I'm just like trying to be comfy. Like we're literally just hanging out, vlogging, eating, drinking, having a good girl time, because like I actually desperately need a girl time. If you couldn't tell, like I'm in like my depression era with like all my little bedtime snacks, and I have like more cookies over there because like I'm honestly such a fatty. I feel like all these drinks are gonna be so sugary. Like tomorrow I'm gonna be fighting for my life. How I feel after this whole entire week is actually, it's pure madness. You know when you're in such a bad mood, but you can't express why you're in a bad mood, like you can't even put into words why you're so angry in the first place? Because I've been like this for honestly like a week. And you know when you just like have suspicion of like certain things and then like you overthink it and then you piss yourself off? So that was me for like the past week, and then what I was overthinking obviously always comes to light because you don't just overthink nothing for no reason. Yeah, that happened. Just trying to like let that go, because the let them theory is like actually real. I'm not letting other people rule my life, or like letting overthinking about other people ruin my life anymore, because I wasted a whole entire year overthinking, which was last year, and now I feel like honestly just like fuck everybody. Like there's no point. Like you should be as selfish as you want because nobody cares about anybody but themselves, and at the end of the day just do what you want, I guess, because everybody else does what they want anyway. Can't always expect people to do what you would do in that situation. So like, no, and I am like horrible at that. I will always try and put myself in somebody else's shoes, and I tell myself like, if that was me I wouldn't do that. But you can't think like that because those people aren't you. Like you're just saying what you would do if you were that person in that situation. You know, they don't think like that. I highly doubt they think about that when it comes to you either. So like I unfollowed about like 50 people on my Instagram, right? Then I go on my Instagram and I lost like 1,000 followers. Does Instagram think I'm like a bot or something? Because it's kind of pissing me off. Now I literally have 487 followers, and the last time I checked I literally had 700. So if this goes down to 0, I will just delete my Instagram account, because what the fuck is that? Does Instagram need to be updated, or like are they getting rid of all the bot accounts? Because if they are, and I only have 486 followers on Instagram, that's kind of shocking considering that I've had this Instagram since high school. But so it wouldn't be that surprising just because I only follow like 397 people. I also do like that monthly unfollowing shit because I don't like to see certain stuff on my feed. Like if it doesn't make me happy, I don't think that I should look at it on Instagram. Look, in real time. This way, when I show it to you later and it's like down to like 3 followers, it's down to Jenny Jacobs Stacy Mom, I will let you know. Which I don't mind if like you're taking all the bots. I would rather you take all the bots so that I can actually feel like I can post on Instagram and not have like all these spam pages, because sometimes like really weird spam pages like my story, and I don't like that. Like Instagram is just weird. It makes me want to delete the app all the time. It's not. Why are you just removing me from people's phones? But I know all those people didn't just decide that my selfie was that ugly. Giovanine! Oh, look, he's just playing Fortnite. Look at how cute everyone looks in their pajamas.
So your camera case, and I got the same one.
If you ever met her,
It's become equal opportunity.
Don't break that. I watched your video where you guys built it. It was so cute. The video where you guys were building it, even though Reggie was being so bratty. Okay. So open your gift. It's the big one.
Open it.
Big one, go.
Peel this side. Yeah, peel the rest.
well, wanted one of those.
Ungrateful. I hate it's glass.
Oh, baby girl!
Oh, that's my Hollywood wire.
That is so good.
We were just talking about grabbing one of these the other day.
Send nudes, it says.
Send nudes. I'm hopeless, romantic.
Reggie literally just wanted to buy
We were
these like
just at
3 days
literally
ago.
just the other day. We were. I
Like
was like,
3 days ago.
I really like that.
Now I have one from my house from you.
That's really cute.
My battery's gonna die. The tripods and cameras everywhere.
Liz, I literally took a picture of this.
Did you guys see the bar setup before we fuck it up?
Bitch, you said you had your period around me for 1 second. I have cramps.
Shut up! Don't be saying that. But
Nah.
we're always so synced out.
Whenever I'm around, my
We're
period
always
will
so synced
literally
out.
stick
Ginger
to
come
you.
here either.
Ginger has a period too.
I don't know, but once you get your period, Ginger's automatically syncs with you, and I'm saying
Ginger already got her. Should I wait? Wait for Ginger to open the champagne?
No.
She's on her way.
Yeah, wait for her.
They came out fire, Liz. I don't know what the hell you were talking about by they came out.
Can you pick it up again?
Yeah. I'm gonna put it in my TikTok that I made them.
What?
I'm gonna say everything I made for my Galentines Day party. I took so much time to make these heart-shaped empires.
I didn't even vlog me.
And you could record the food. Like, I made these rice bowls.
Bomb. I slaved over the kitchen for hours at a time. Did you guys say hi to my son?
Yes, I said hi to Juvenine. I didn't even vlog me making the empanadas, so it's not even like I could say that you didn't eat them.
I fried these raviolis.
Do they taste gross? But
No, they're
bomb.
It's just kind of cold.
I have fried raviolis.
How do you eat?
Ginger's here, wait, look at me.
my camera.
She's like, I woke up like this.
Yeah, I got that juicy on.
What's this? Isn't that like matches your Oh my god, you have juicy on too, girl.
Yeah, just the bathrobe.
I think
I was like wearing holding my camera. What is she doing?
it was
I
Christmas gift. Your Christmas, I have Christmas. I didn't bring Dina's gift. It's alright. Your gift is here. She left mine at home, so I guess we're all fucked up.
I'm 30 minutes into the fucking drive. I realized, oh my god, I don't have my fucking camera. Yes, I drove back for my fucking camera. What am I gonna do? So I drove back for my camera, and then I realized, oh my god, I don't have this and this and this. And then I was like, I'm not gonna go. I can't.
Should I make it explode and then I wish I could take a picture of you guys. 0.5?
Yeah.
Like all the crackheads waiting for the bottle of champagne. That's so funny. This is Vera Wayne, guys. Should I make it explode and then I'll just mop after?
No.
No.
Please do not make it explode. Alright guys, this is gonna be a boring champagne pop.
Why? It can be classy.
I don't like do it raw.
Oh, I'm scared. Don't hit us. Oh.
I think you just take that part.
Throw it.
I ate 2 saltine crackers today. Do I? Happy Galentines! Danielle, was it you that I said he sits in the windowsill?
Yeah.
Is that your margarita?
Yeah.
Okay, what were you
I
saying?
just stuck my tongue in there. What's in that? Gasolina?
You know, fucking squeeze the lime, and I don't know, I guess maybe I didn't put enough alcohol.
Listen, they're so...
Don't say that.
Listen, Reggie told me the fucking, the amount to put, and I did.
Reggie helped me make those Jello shots, and I literally poisoned everyone at the fucking.
No, I started.
You almost threw up from those Jello shots at my brunch.
Oh, that shit was nice.
Everybody, let's do cheers.
Wait.
It's a girls' night. Wait, get a picture of the top. Okay, wait.
Gotta go, bye.
You guys watch?
Tina's making her drink now, and a TikTok.
Too much. Too much.
I think I baked it.
Oh my god, you just got me off
We know what to cut and what to not cut, Frankie. I promise.
Okay, Tina just finished making her drinks. I'm scared. Yeah, we're refunded. Oh my god, it's already 10
I have to
o'clock.
leave at 11:30 for dinner.
I know.
Just start fucking chugging.
I know. I know once right before I'm about to get picked up. First drink of the night is Dina's drink. It is called Casami Go to His House. Woo!
Oh shit, was I supposed to take it?
You didn't take it on my phone? Oh.
It's the drink.
It's very, if you spill this,
move your hand.
do not spill it. Do not spill it on the fucking couch. It's dripping. The honey is dripping.
Aren't we all grabbing at the same? It might fall if we all do that.
Yeah, word.
Waitress.
Yeah, word.
If we all take it at the same time.
Dina was a waitress for many years.
Put my phone right here. 10 out of 10.
That's the TV!
The way I knew that's what you have. Did you get on the block?
Oh, I'm never hosting again.
That would have been such a smarter idea.
And it's champagne coated.
We're reading now.
I'm gonna try it too.
You're good.
It's trash. It's trash. It's bad. I was expecting it to be so fucking good. It's bad. Tell me the truth. It's bad. It's good. I'm not taking it. Oh my god. It's not good. I think it tastes good. 5.
There you go.
10.
It's a little sour.
10 out of 10.
9.
10 out of 10.
Okay, I'm gonna give Dina a 7.
Okay, that's it. Hey, Frankie, you got 2 seconds to give me 10 out of 10.
I'll be honest.
You gotta be quick. There's only 2 seconds left in the video. Ready? 10 out of 10. Go. It's done. Every single one of you suck.
What's your rating
I'll
on
be
your
the true
drink?
judge of this.
Yeah.
But it's really strong.
Everybody rated it bad except for Eleni because she's the only true. Bitch,
I said 9.
I said 8.
You gave it a 4. What do you mean sour? Told you it was sour. It's so good.
No, it is so sour. Why?
I mean, we did too much. Maybe we did the ounces wrong in our head. Ginger just finished her drink after like 3 hours of us waiting. Look at how tired we are.
Coming in with strawberry kisses.
These are beautiful.
They are so good.
They're like a work of art.
It's like a strawberry chai.
I have to get your good. It does taste
Strawberry
like a
chai? That sounds so good.
This is good.
Really?
It's good.
1 out of 10.
It's good, but like, what is that like?
It's the
strawberry.
ranchada.
No,
It's
the
the
ranchada's at
ranchada.
the end. I'm talking about in the middle where it's like the
It's
strawberry.
the strawberry?
I think so. Honestly, a solid 8 because it does taste like a strawberry chai.
Right? It tastes
It does.
But we still have to add Sprite, so that's why it looks so.
You top it off with Sprite?
Yeah.
Look at this little hard ice.
Why is it that when I land on community chest, I don't get to pick up a community chest card?
Oh my god, you claiming off these guns?
Thing.
I'm a level 800, Vanessa's on level 10,000.
That's like Avery's mom,
Yeah,
right?
Avery's mom's on 15,000.
This is why you don't wash dishes. Just have yours. I think baby. Your makeup don't.
Why are you putting lactate in there?
I have stomach issues. It tastes like regular fucking milk, you dumb bitches.
I know it doesn't.
It does taste the same.
After you literally have and guess at yourself so many times, I'm sure it does taste
It
like
literally
milk.
does. The first time I tasted it, the first time I saw it, I was like, this shit is nasty. Reggie was like, you have to try it. And I tasted it. I was like,
It is nasty, you're right.
no, it tastes
I just made my
My
drink.
creativity was
And look at what happened.
creativity was a 10.
My presentation.
I should have made the scorecards.
Wait,
My phone fell in that. It's still very sticky right now. It's not a good time.
soup. And then Danielle was just watching TikToks decompress it.
Editing her vlog. It's doing too much right now.
Earlier, like I'm just a mess, right? If anybody wants to know.
Over here.
Alright, DJ, move over.
Oh, we're just gonna screenshot like thumbnails.
Wait.
Damn, we didn't know it was over there. Sorry, Dina. Welcome to Alyssa's vlog.
Oh my god! She gets up. He said it on my phone. Bye guys, I'm too lazy for this. Good night. Love ya.
Love y'all. Bye.
Till next time when we're all rough and crazy.